Zina's playhouse.
Hi friends, let's play with our solar system puzzle. What happens if I touch it? Oh my! Let's go find them.
Okay.
Now we need to build our rocket. Let's start with the first piece. That one fits. What about this one? Oh no! That doesn't look right. Let's try again. Yes, that's better. Great job. Now the next piece, let's try this one. Perfect! Now we need a star. Oops! That's not the star. Let's find the real star. Yes! Look! We got a special rocket piece. Let's take it back. Where should the rocket go? That doesn't match. Let's try the rocket spot. Great job! Okay, friends, look at this cute bee house. Let's help the bees go back to their cozy homes. Blue bee. In the blue spot. Green bee. The green bee is home. Next is the purple bee. Let's put it in. Uh-oh. Oopsie, it fell down. There. Where's the blue bee? Wait a second. Oh! Look up there. The blue bee is on the roof. Come on, blue bee. Back to your home. Orange bee. There you are. Pink bee. So cute. Pink bee is home. Where's the red bee? Oh, I see it. It's on the roof. Come on, red bee. Yes, all done. Wait, what's that on the roof? That's our puzzle piece. Sun. Let's take it back to its place. Yay! So shiny. Cookie Monster. Look, I see gumballs. One gumball. Two gumballs. Yummy, yummy. Wait a second. What's this? It's an astronaut. Let's turn Cookie Monster upside down. Oh, wow! Look at that. Another puzzle piece. Let's take these back to our spaceport. First, the astronaut goes right here. Astronaut. Now, let's match this planet. What about Mars? Close, but not the right one. This looks right. Yes, it fits. That's Venus. Wow, another puzzle. Let's build it. First, the big white piece. That fits perfectly. Let's try the next piece. That doesn't look right. Let's try again. This one looks right. Now the next piece. Oh, it's upside down. Let's turn it around. There we go. Here comes the next piece. And look, a little star. Yay! We finished our Saturn puzzle. Now let's take Saturn back to the spaceport. Does Saturn go here? Not there. Let's try this one. Yes, Saturn! Sand, yes. Oh, I like this. Looks like a cabbage. Let's put some in it and see what happens. Oh, nothing happened. That didn't work. Okay, let's dig and see what's hiding under the sand. Oh, it's Mater. Hello, Mater.
Hello, buddy. I'm a tow mater without the ta.
Okay, Mater, time to drive away. Go, Mater. Ow! Here's a sandcastle. Let's make it. Let's open it. Wow! Look at that. Beautiful! Oh, what's inside the sand? It's our planet, Jupiter. Let's put it back on the board. Jupiter! Wow, I see something else. Another puzzle piece. Back to the puzzle board. Here? Nope. Right here. Good job. It's Mars. Let's find this one. Look at these cute egg faces. They all have different feelings. Up here are some eyes. Let's pick the right eyes to match each face. This face looks angry. Now this face looks worried. Let's find worried eyes. There! Now it looks worried. This one looks happy. Let's match the happy eyes. Not that one. Let's try this one. There! So happy. Look at this one. It's silly. Yep, that looks silly. This face looks excited. So bright and fun. Perfect match. And this one looks funny. Ha ha ha! So funny. There it is. Hello, Earth. Let's take you back to the board. Earth. What is this? I'm not sure. Let's find out. Yay! We made a tractor. Huh? 3 puzzle pieces. Let's take them back one by one. First, it's Uranus. Where do I put it? Right here. Uranus. Now Mercury goes here. Mercury. And finally Neptune. Let's put it here. Neptune! Let's find our last puzzle piece. What could this be? Let's try to build it. Here's one piece. Let's put it here. Okay. Let's try this one. Does that look right? Maybe not. Let's try again. Oh, that looks better. Now this one. Not quite. There we go. Much better. Let's keep going. Oh, I see it now. It's a lion family. Mommy lion, daddy lion, and this is the baby lion. A happy lion family. Oh, our puzzle piece, come here. It's a UFO. And it goes here. Yay, we did it. We found all the planets today. See you next time. Bye-bye.